Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a top-tier exercise bike, the NordicTrack Grand Tour bike for 2025 is making waves in the home fitness world. Today, we're breaking down this beast in detail, covering its standout features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's jump right in. First off, the NordicTrack Grand Tour bike boasts an impressive array of pros that make it a favorite for serious cyclists. One major highlight is its immersive 22-inch rotating touchscreen, which integrates seamlessly with popular apps like iFit for virtual rides through global landscapes. Imagine pedaling through the Alps from your living room. It's also built with a sturdy frame and adjustable resistance levels, offering a smooth, quiet ride that feels professional-grade. Plus, the ergonomic seat and handlebars provide excellent comfort for long sessions, and it comes with built-in speakers and a fan to keep you cool during intense workouts. But, as with any product, there are some cons to consider. The price tag is a big one. Starting at around $2,000, it might be a stretch for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while the iFit integration is fantastic, it requires a subscription for full access, which could add up to extra costs over time. The bike's size is another drawback. It's quite bulky, making it tough to store in smaller spaces. And for tech novices, the setup and app navigation might have a slight learning curve. Overall, the NordicTrack Grand Tour bike is a powerhouse for those committed to at-home cardio, especially if you love interactive training. If you're a casual rider, you might find it overkill. I'd recommend it for enthusiasts willing to invest in quality. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your go-to home workout equipment? Let me know in the comments below.